Mwishumu uligereria na gukwalibona ndonsi ya soberete ya sema somuga sobono chinga kichiningo kwaligania semesa ya mangana ya senchira yobwenge chinsani sano na iberechi bono mubaso elinyara go kumanyali ya habereka okolekana boiga gendeta okolekana kuro chinsemo ao stariki chiga isano na ibere humuti nyokanda mwaka wechiri bubere na merongebere nebere na mange hagendeta okolekana ayungo chuo kumanya asenchira yobwenge olitoko bwatera nere kuro somo na bwimanyeryo igakro kwa Joshua Auta. Saranso ikibono kumunya senchira yobwenge retirana inche nkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha nigoto gochaka na roboti rowe chani yake gima ateto komanyigo buno botukano nigo bagendete koene kiwa asenseme yemeye county ya Kisi asebunge ya kitutu ya South yotoke meye county ya Kisi AMAYIA yo moro kiwoyo mole form tukuru aseskuru ya Nyabururu konyara ka husiro kumabwaje asenchira yobotutukano kolengano mwalimu omone weskuru ya Nyabururu ni gagote buna omoro kiwo uniga betaka ko igobe na kumnyoki wa Nyagetari ngase ko tebekana buna no asireti ogmabwaje inyiro mobero Nyagosirani ko gachira senkendo ye Nyagetari ene ya Kisi kolengana abayiboli bo mwana yole form tate skuru ya Nyabururu nigo batebire buna omoro kiwo itasireti Nyagetari kolengana baruni ko bagote bo omoro kiwo iniga asireti skuru ya Nyabururu asokolendo mwalimu omone bwe skuru anyareka go kana manganayo abayiboli bo mwana boigere ya matamu na boy amona baire nigo bona bagandi obotuki boime konyara gokorwa eliko nyara komanyana kye konyarekana umwana obagosiri buguma sentira yo botutukano no mobero yo koirwa wekenkendo iye Nyagetari nene ya Kisi.
Nyamira ni mtoto wangu anasoma Nyabururu. Nilipata simu jana saa 11 asubuhi na deputy akinipigia akiniambia wewe ni mama iPhone. Nikamwambia ndio. Eti watoto wanafunzi wote wametoka madomu wameenda madarasani. iPhone amebaki kwa dom kama amelala ongei amechususulia. Akaniambia tumepeleka Ivondebo 5 kimbia umuone. Alipigia simu sijui mara ngapi aliniharakisha sana. Nilipofika kwa shule nikapata shemeji yangu amefika. Akaniambia Jackie pole, Ivoni hayuko, Ivoni amekufa.
We suspect there must have been a reason why he died, which must be overseen by the school administration. Yesterday, close relatives including the father, they were called by the Catholic, some Catholic pastor. They sat together, shared a bit, and
mukigo mna poto mabu ya yagoteba tumayo koragendo kiege tumayo jakulira
tokamwakera chikura so bonge and egando tora nje goteba nkeringa bali side eliende wono twakorire siasa diabache totogotere pani emo tokoremeremo wono siasa yaelire egente kenene tokoregasi no morayo itomna to amochora. In fact, we are very happy and so grateful about it. And even though we are expecting that. And then tubugate amatumaini amange wetera somora yoyo.
Nago tigana noroboti rubono nigendre mo yase endemero yaberege koleto botukano chinsemo gasense ya Kenya go ikabande go siria magima bono enaboni go oyo mo bali abwate chindemero chinsemo babere bagote buna babere bagwetera mange ogosaga nonga time chando yaberege ko eneki wasaba ntukundri wa chindemero chiabo litukere koleke monigo kiere to botukano maiga yoyo mo oyo bwate ndemero gote babetega kugorokorwa sensemo ya Zawadi Enterprise asate bire bunani gabeteka gosagwanwa na gotigoro chinkoma gati ebintu byaye konyora sarembe yabetega konekiwa lituko ligoro.
Wenye waliuziwa walikuwa wameanza kujenga ploti zao na wale ambao pia wapani ambao wanadai kwamba shamba hili ni lao pia hao wakawa wanazuia ujenzi ule kuendelea. Ndo katika hiyo harakati ndo ule mtafaruku ukatokea na hata magari kuchoma.
Tulinunua kutoka kwa Datani Enterprises Limited. Ndio walituuzia hii shamba. To what I understand, original ilikuwa 10 acres. So wakakatakata wakatuuzia. So tuko na sheti, mimi mwenyewe niko na title deed. Yenye nimeenda kule nikafanya search hata last year nimefanya search ingine tu ya kudhibitisha hakuna mambo chipu imetendeka.
Kama mtu amekalia lizi na inaenda kuisha, anaona ni bora hataenda kukata lizi nyingine, hataenda ongezea muda, bora auzie watu. Unaona? Sasa katika ile hali ya kuuzia watu anawapa shida wale walionunua.
Nago tigana na yubono gati ya basubati ni gobono beso kiri na kugania William Samuel Ruto yorumura yomochole wense ya Kenya kone kibunango ikirereganga ya yogo chukubaligeria ya basubati ya Sobrai asekerengo kiria kia 50 asemia unabetega kubachika bulitangane basubati ya bukuru asekyombegia African Women Leaders Network ni gobate vile bunambaga nitiri guchiko ikiraniwa na kugania Ruto kubabwati ya basubati anena sobo koleri buaye.
We appreciate the call for reconciliation that you made to other 2022 presidential contenders and all Kenyans in general, irrespective of their political persuasions. Indeed, this is the only way to get the country back to track. We urge the President-elect, Dr. William Samuel Ruto, to be the second president to be a male gender champion. And we know you will.
Na boigomo gavana mochorwe county ya Mombasa Mohamed Somunde Hanasiri kaukwana kurwa sensemeyo amono mokonyoye nigo balire irayo gochikani ngokora bale hubi yabereke gochirana ana sensemo ya Mombasa baukwana kurwa sensemo ya Mwakirunge era mono mokonyoye nigo batebire buna bochikane kyobo chenu nkonyaro libogokiniwa ase county ya Mombasa anegokora ehubi era chinsemo aoimeye county yo ya Mombasa.
Within the first 100 days, we give out an expression of interest tuangalie how the response will be. Mashirika yote yenye kufanya mambo haya recycling all over the world. There's better, badala kuambia saa yote ya kwa gari zimeharibika, sijui clutches, sijui gari imeharibika nini. Let that be a company that is just dealing with that. Our role is to ensure that we have a stake in the recycling plant na tuweze kuendelea mbele, so we can tumalize matatizo haya once and for all.
Tunakwenda kuhakikisha zile taka ziko pale VOK tumeondoa zote. Tutaondoa takataka zote ambazo ziko pale kwa Sonko, tutaondoa takataka zote ambazo ziko pale Kadongo na VOK.
We have been requested for some issues. These are temporary measures, repair of some of the county equipment, provision of some bulldozers here to sort out the challenges that are faced at this dump site. While we wait for more permanent solutions, we understand there will be policy issues, there will be a proper framework for the management of this dump site. We all look forward to a cleaner moment.
Na gotigana ni nkwana ya yomu governor wa county ya Mombasa Abdul Somadi Nasire ni gobono gati ya basaye kurwa sense ya Kenya wono babere bakogenda sense ya Saudia anena basubatu kuchikokole meremo barure birengere byabo ne mechandeli babere bagoetera ana sense ya Saudia konengana barbu ni gobate birebuna nonya abagenti babo bakobaira sense yo nigo bakonda baba anne babatigaba chandegete nigo chinga kiye chibarobo semya na gote abuna konda sense ya Saudia ne mechande menge habange bakwe mentera anene bali bako kolegasi ya nyumba.
Nasema tufanye kazi 18 hours. Alafu naweza fanya nyumba 2 ama 3 kwa siku. Mshahara hata watanilipa ngine nimepata huko 9 months sasa.
No food, yani chakula mnakula once. Kama hiyo ni saa 10 mpaka kesho saa 10.
Na boigo ekerotogo tigana yo kumurekerense mo yo bwaga chini gobone merobeli yo kumwaga chiro mo governor we county ya Siaya enyomba yaye ni gegendrete kubwatanze kolengana noroboti rokorokibuna enyomba yo mo governor we county ya Siaya ni gegochikoira shilingi milioni 59 eliko nyaro gokoro obwagachi wenyombe yo merobeli yo ni gebwatense bochibogoko sebosio bogokora korosiwa Kenya kwenyomba yo mo governor we county ya Siaya.
It has taken some time for it to be implemented. So today, we have come to hand over the site. The groundbreaking ceremony is coming soon, and that will be presided over by the topmost leadership of the county government. Obviously, they'll still stay in their homes because the construction work is yet to start. But as soon as it is finished, we expect the governor to move to his residence, and including the deputy governor.
We'll start some activities to preparing the site, the the site office, the roads going to the site, and many other activities that will enable us to start preparation for the groundbreaking. Duration, we are estimating it, if all goes to as per our plan, to take slightly around about 1.
Nago tigana na yo ni gobono AMAYIA county ya Mombasa abanyanyimbo bere bakobanali y'abantu 40 asensemeyo aho bagotebekana kurwa sense ya Jordana asegotebekana bunani go bagendete gokinia obusabiriri asensemeyo ya Mombasa egento batebirekere maminchane chiko kolenga n'abanyanyimbo ni go batebire buna abo bachita sense asensemeyo ya Mombasa ni go bachita sekirenge kingao kolende bono ya rock ni go bagendete ko abasabiriri asensemeyo ya Mombasa naboni go batangira segedeseni ky'abanyanyimbo ekerobutuko imebogendrete kumanya anekerenge kenne kyabareta sense ya Kenya ana sensemeria ya Mombasa.
Today officers from Central Police Station had information that there were people of foreign origin who were in the streets and they were begging. They moved swift to the areas including Kibokoni, Mbetiari, Moi Avenue, and in actual sense they found 40 foreigners, including 19 adults and 21 children. Upon finding them, they were brought to station for interrogation, and actually they were found that they are of Jordanian origin who had tourist visa. Officers from immigrations were called and it was confirmed that it is a tourist visa, and they were going against the regulation of the visa, that is converting themselves into beggars as opposed to being tourists.
Wanchumulikiri bono hinyirana chiakote buna enyumba ya yomo governor we county ya Siaya James Orengo nigeraro sigwene chubesa 79 million ine nyumba yomo governor we county ya Siaya James Orengo ibono egenreto semirubeli yokorosigwa ya chakireben wekirabu monchumulikiri bono nonko yakira almost mali mangana mayasenchere yo wenge chinza isano na ibere chia bono mwaso orito bwatanere kurasumono wimanyireli higakorwa Joshua Auta awe kuransemendi yeli yogini chibiche gakorwa Petronira Mokeire nsemelie mtandao tobwatie ansemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na bwege nsemelie ya YouTube na bwagotena buna Ndizi TV News nyero chinsa 10 humira na Sara Nyarangi ontita akumanya senchira yo wenge litira ninchi nkuru